Boom, we're back again, getting straight to the point, covering and summarising Darren Hardy's compound effect. We're now on to the fourth key principle from the book: embrace obstacles to accelerate your path to success. As you progress, you're bound to hit some personal limits. The question is, will you stop pushing, or will you break through the wall? The wall of your discipline and routines represent the gap between your old self and your improved, stronger self. You'll find your new habits will compound, and you'll change into a more successful person. So, when you come to the limit of what you think you can achieve, push through that limit to get quicker results and multiply your success. Remember Arnold Schwarzenegger's famous cheating principle for weight training. When you've reached the maximum number of lifts you can manage, lean back to access other muscle groups to support the working muscle. Doing this enables you to add 5 or 6 more reps to your set. Similar to pushing through your personal limits will only make you stronger. Picture a scenario in which you've come within 5 pounds of your weight loss goal, then hit a wall because of work stress. Remember, you already know how to be disciplined, make good choices, and build momentum without your old self-destructive behaviour. So, choose to push through, and you'll find you won't just achieve your goal, you'll also be even stronger. It's always to your own benefit to push yourself a little more, go a little longer, and prepare a little better. That's why Darren Hardy invests a great deal of time researching all he can about the companies to whom he gives keynote speeches to. The extra work he puts in is more than what's expected of him, and this makes his speeches extremely popular. So, if you want to put yourself ahead of others and your old self, you need to break through your own limits. Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. So, from this whole podcast series, I hope you take away this one key message. The keys to success are realising that you're responsible for your life, forming healthy daily habits, cultivating discipline, and pushing past your comfort zone. Getting to your goals at light speed can sometimes be detrimental, and is often not possible. Instead, steady progress and patience will get you where you want to be. So go out and prove that you're the boss.